What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Sorry about the camera quality, guys. I'm losing my natural light. There's a storm coming in here in Jamaica, and they're pretty intense. So we're sitting at 153 for Matic. Just going to be a quick update, down about 1.3 on the day. Seeing a market cap at 10.16 billion, 24-hour volume, 1.17 billion. All right, guys, let's jump straight into the charts here. So here's Matic on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see here we broke out. We had a little bit of a fake out. We came back down to the EMAs from our bull flag. Now we also may be creating a bit of a triple top pattern here. As you can see here, created a top, second top, third top. And all of these tops are basically equal here. And you can see here on the RSI, we're losing strength. We're creating lower highs. So we may see a little bit of sell-off here if this neckline were to be broken, guys. Can go from the bottom to the top, can give you a little target. We'll bring you back down to this level of support, which is the 0.5 on the Fibonacci here. At $1.20. It's a little boy outside running, making noise. Keep it down. At about $1.29. So do keep an eye on that neckline. If it does break down here, that could be a good area to target for a bounce. So let's hop over into the daily time frame, guys. So we can see here on the daily, we are holding support of the EMAs. We've had the bullish cross. So even if we come down to the 0.5 quickly, if we can bounce back rather quickly, we can still stay above the EMAs. And that would be a really strong sign of continuation here for Matic. And then we also have another large pattern. But first, guys, this video is sponsored by Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible benefits, including their Visa card, where you can get cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card you have, as well as Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. Much better than if you keep your money in the bank. They have USDT Tether 12%, Crypto.com, the native coin Crow 6%, Ethereum 6.5%. This is one of the main things I love about Crypto.com, is the ability to stake your coin and receive a high return in interest. All right, guys, they partnered with the UFC right on the UFC jersey, as well as the NBA for the Philadelphia 76ers. So incredible time to get involved, and you get $25 just for signing up through my referral. It's in the top of the comments. All right, guys, so let's finish off this video here with Matic. So do keep an eye on $1.29. If we were to lose that level of support, I will drop in this area here at $1.21. But if we don't break this neckline here, we get back above $1.54. We still have our technical target here at 206, and we have the 0.782 coming in at about 198 for Matic. We have our larger pattern here, the inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We've broken the neckline. Your target's up at 176. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Check out Crypto.com. You can check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.